everyone, my name is Katya and today I'm going to show you how to crochet the scarf. It is an easy pattern. You just need to know how to work your half double crochets and you get to use up all your scrap yarn. For this project I'll be using scrap yarn. It is a number 4 medium weight yarn, 100% acrylic and variety of colors, and you're also going to need your 5mm crochet hook. We're going to start with the slip knot and a chain of 151 if you want the same size as mine. If you want a longer scarf, go ahead and chain any amount of chains. Continue chaining and I'll meet you back. Once you're done chaining, for row 1 we're going to work 1 half double crochet into the second chain from the hook. Don't count the loop that's on your hook, but count the chains. Right here we have 1, 2 into the second chain. Go ahead and work 1 half double crochet. Once you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And you're just going to continue like this. Into each chain, you're going to pick it up and work 1 half double crochet. And at the end of row 1, you should have 150 half double crochets if you're making the same scarf as I am. But if you want a different size scarf, you will have different amount of half double crochets and it doesn't matter. Continue working 1 half double crochet across into each chain and then I'll meet you back. I'm coming to the end of row 1 and right over here I have my last chain left. I'm going to go ahead and work half double crochet using that last chain. And to end this row, go ahead and chain 1. And now cut your yarn. You want to leave about 5 to 7 inches long of a yarn tail just for the fringe. So it's up to you here, but you want to kind of leave it a little bit longer of a tail. And then you're just going to cut it and pull out your hook and row 1 is finished. For row 2, we're going to start with the new color and I'm going to leave about 5 inches yarn tail and go ahead and chain 1. And right over here, going back to row 1, we're going to use the first half double crochet, which is right over here. So this is the chain and this is the half double crochet. Pick it up with your hook and now using this loop right here, bring it closer and pull through. And now go ahead and chain 1 and you're going to work a half double crochet using that same stitch. Go ahead and work 1 half double crochet. And now you're going to work half double crochet across using each of the stitches. Continue working on row 2 and then I'll meet you back. At the end of row 2, you should have 150 half double crochets, and to end this row, we're going to go ahead and chain 1, leave a long yarn tail, cut your yarn, pull out your hook, tighten it, and let's move on to row 3. And for row 3 and the rest of the rows, we're just going to repeat row 2. For each row, we're going to start with the new color, leave a long yarn tail, and start with the chain 1. And right over here using row 2, the first half double crochet, so right here at the bottom is the chain 1, skip it, insert your hook into the half double crochet stitch, which is right here, right on the top. Insert your hook, bring in the loop, pull through, and right over here we're going to start with the chain 1 and 1 half double crochet back into that very first half double crochet. And you're just going to continue and work half double crochets into each stitch across, and then you're going to finish the same way by chaining 1 and cutting a long yarn tail. And you're just going to continue and work on this for as many rows as you like. I'm going to continue and work on mine and I will let you know how many rows I work on total. I worked a total of 16 rows and the length of the scarf is about 47 inches, not including the fringe, and the width is 6 inches. If you want a wider scarf, you can just continue and add more rows, but I worked a total of 16 rows. Let's go ahead and work on the fringe next. If you like to add more fringe, which I did right over here, and this side is just with the long yarn tails, You're going to go ahead and cut about 12-inch yarn strips using the same color as you did on this side. And I already went ahead and I did the green one, so let's go ahead and do this one together. You're going to go ahead and find the color, which is right over here, fold it in half, and right over here, this loop, we're going to use the half double crochet on this side, and you're going to insert your hook underneath and bring up this loop and pull through with your hook. And right over here, using this loop, you can drop your hook and use your fingers if you like. Using this loop, you're going to bring this yarn tails and pull through and tighten it. And then you're going to repeat the same thing to the next one. So right over here is the next color. I'm going to go ahead and find the color right over here, fold it in half. Right over here is the loop, and we're going to go ahead and find a half double crochet, insert your hook, bring in this loop, and now we're going to go ahead and bring in the yarn tails through the loop, and now pull through. And you're going to continue all along on this side, and once you're done, you're going to go ahead and decide how long of a fringe you want, and then right over here at the bottom you're going to cut it to even them out. And that's all it is here to making the fringe. Forgot to mention that right over here, if you notice, the edges are a little bit slanted, so they're not even. One side is going higher and then one side is lower, and right over here is same thing. This one is higher and this one is a little bit lower. So when you're cutting your fringe, keep that in mind. Just checking to make sure they're even, and I'm just going to go ahead and fix it one more time. And here's our finished scarf. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.